Therefore, one of the things that I would like to recommend and suggest, that to have in our mosque, for example, we have a youth director. And the youth director is someone, he's not born in Sudan, was not raised in Sudan. He was raised in America, in the Sun American culture, a man who does entertainment, he loves poetry, play basketball, and he's open to work with male and females, and he has a committee of young people grow up in America, helping him to do that. Most of the time, the youth director in the masjid is uncle or auntie, and they could not relate to those youth. You know, many people said to me, and I appreciate the youth when I try to be useful, useful and youthful to the youth. And therefore they opened with me. One of them said, Imam Magid, you don't know what it likes to grow up in America and to go to public schools. I said, Wallah, you're right on the money. I have no clue. All my information and guidance from the youth by talking to them. They tell me what's going on in public school. I visit public school myself. I'm in the committee in the Fairfax County that sit and talk about policy in public schools as representative people of faith. There's a committee that represent all faith, actually, Muslim and non-Muslim alike, to talk about concern about them. And I'm part of something called Fairfax Youth Partnership. I sit in their board, and I hear all of this. And I told him, yet I cannot claim I know what you're going through. You know? Therefore, understanding the context, understand the reality on the ground, make a person really appreciate the youth in the masjid. Therefore, I would like to suggest that when you have a youth director in your masjid, make sure, with all the respect for elderly people, they have great wisdom, but make the youth director someone, he or she, grew up in America, understand youth. Please don't hire people who do not understand that. That's number one. Number two, that